Is SocialDM really an easy way to earn $4,000, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael, and many viewers here on my channel have asked me about this platform and whether they should use it or not. And in this SocialDM review, I will give you an inside look and compare it to the hundreds of other free online earning methods I have tested. And let me just reveal right away, there are some very important details you need to consider before you start investing any time on this platform. So when you first come to SocialDM, it looks very appealing. The website looks nice. It has a lot of earning claims. It looks like you can just join and earn right away. So let me then log in, and then you can see how you actually supposedly can earn. So I have now logged into SocialDM, and the first thing that really caught my attention when I joined was that you have this one. You see $4,000 bonus, limited time. $4,000 bonus. Like, I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and a $4,000 bonus claim is just a huge red flag right away. It was just something that really caught my attention, because I know when to become suspicious or not, because I have tested so many both great platforms but also scams. So let's look at what it actually requires you to then do. You see, then you need to invite 15 people and complete 20 offers, and then you will earn $4,000 bonus. And this is a time-limited time bonus, they say, and it should take 1 to 2 days to complete. So that means that according to this claim, I could make $4,000 in maximum 2 days, and I only would have to complete 20 offers. Let's look at this offer center where I have to take 20 offers and see if this is actually really realistic. So I'm now on the offer page, and you see right now there are no apps and games available, but there are some so-called surveys. These actually have nothing to do with surveys. That's another big red flag. And then I would need to download a game, but I actually only have 3 offers, so I couldn't even complete 20 offers. Another thing is that these ones are like exaggerated earning claims. Again, I have taken maybe thousands of online surveys. First of all, these are not surveys. Secondly, you will not get $120 for doing this, because I know that companies that have legit offer vaults, they will not get that much. So of course they cannot offer you the same, or they cannot offer you $120, because they would lose money constantly if they did this. So this is when it, for me, became completely clear. These exaggerated earning claims, it's just ridiculous. No site that is legit will ever claim to offer you this much. Then this $4,000 bonus claim. Well, you know what? Like, 20 offers, they would not make that much profit from that. Like, I know a lot of different sites, as mentioned. I have tested hundreds of different sites, and I have a good idea about, like, of course, when they pay us to take offers, they also need to make money. And I have a good idea about the percentage they make. And usually they make, like a few dollars if they're lucky, when we earn a few dollars. So that's how it usually works. So they want you to believe that they can pay you $4,000 just if you complete $20. A legit site, depending on the offer, of course, would maybe make like $50 or $100 maximum if you completed $20 or offers, and you would then kind of make approximately the same. And of course they cannot pay you $4,000 bonus for that. Of course they cannot pay you $120 for this also. So what's this platform then about? Why do they make these claims? Let's talk about that next. So when you look at the platform, what is very clear is that they have some different offers that they get paid to send you to. They make exaggerated earning claims to make sure you try to do it, because then they earn. And then they force you to invite people, because they say, for example, like, if you want to withdraw money, you need to invite people. If you want your $4,000 bonus, and who doesn't want a $4,000 bonus, then you just need to invite 15 people. So this is why you might have seen a lot of people trying to invite you. That's why I have had a lot of viewers on my channel ask me whether they should join or not, because so many people try to hype it up, because they naively believe that if they just invite 15 people and do 20 offers, then they will get $4,000. That would be amazing, but unfortunately that's just not the reality. But they have a clever system. They force new members to invite others. They keep getting more and more members that do these offers. They get paid, but will never pay you. I we'll just say it out right now. And I know some people will say, oh, you didn't try to reach the payout threshold. How can you say? Well, because I have tested hundreds of different platforms online. And this one is exactly similar to a lot of other sites I've seen. They hype everything up, get a lot of people to invite other people for a short period of time. They make a lot of money. They will never pay out. When enough people have realized that, they close down, create a new website with a new name, same crazy claims, and then it just continues like that. So just to make it clear, you will be wasting your time by using SocialDM. So to sum it all up, in my opinion and experience after having tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, SocialDM is a complete waste of time. You will not only be wasting your own time, you will also be wasting the time of the people that you end up inviting because you believe that you can get paid really good money by inviting others. So if you have already invited other people, please share a link to this video with them so they can realize why they should stop, and then apologize to them for having invited them in the first place. And then hopefully they will also stop wasting their time and the time of other people they might invite. If you want to make money online, there are many free, legit ways to do that, but you will not earn $120 per task. You will not earn $4,000 in 2 days just after joining. That's not how it works. I have more information. I'll leave links below to legit, realistic, free ways to make some extra money online. You can check that out below the video, but you will be wasting your time when you're using SocialDM. And I hope this video helped you figure out what to expect. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.